Well, good morning. It is April 15th and I thought I would take you with me on everything I do today. But first, I want to show you what's happening outside because it's putting a wrench in all my plans. Let's take a look. So here's what's happening this morning. So Mother Nature, come on. So I came after I got ready this morning. I was gonna make a baked oatmeal to take to work with me, and I didn't have enough eggs in the house, and so I had taken my daughter like, I don't know, 4 18 packs, and then we had company last weekend, so we pretty much used up everything that we had here in the house. So I gotta collect eggs this morning. I still gotta go feed, and then we're gonna head out to work. I've gotta work today. The plan is to come home at lunch. I've got 2 chickens defrosting on my counter to put on the smoker on low. And then we're going to head back to work, and then I gotta go out to the Airbnb that I manage, check the pool chemical, and then back to the farm. We're gonna castrate some piglets, and then home to have dinner. So I'm gonna take you with me, show you what my day entails, but apparently we're not having any baked oatmeal for breakfast. So first things first though, I need to get dressed. Well, I am dressed, but I need to put my winter coat on, get my hat on, my gloves on. I've already got my insulated boots that I use to feed on. So we're gonna head outside and get some feeding done, and so we can head off to work. Hi, lovies. ¿Qué quieres comer? Okay, well, everything looks good in the greenhouse. I did start a heater in here last night because I didn't want my babies to freeze, but everything's looking really good. Apparently this cold weather is not bothering anything, so we got some brand new babies down here that are looking good. All our basil's still looking really good. Up here we've got some new things planted. Loofah, some more cherry tomatoes. And then over here, we've got some other babies. So, all right. So everything's looking good in here. I don't think anything needs any water this morning. So I think we're gonna be good. All right, off to do the chickens. Okay, our eggs are washed. Our chickens are defrosting for dinner right there. Only broke 2 eggs. These I will give to the pigs. Anyways, now we're off to work. We're on our way home for lunch. And it's still snowing. I want spring to be here so badly. I just hope that we don't have any cows go into labor in the next day or so. So, anyways, yeah, I'll show you what's happening outside. All right, here's what it looks like outside. It keeps snowing. Ugh. Okay, we're gonna get these 2 chickens ready and we're gonna put them, I wanted to smoke them, but since Snowmageddon happened outside, I don't think that that's gonna work. So we're gonna put them in the roaster oven in the house and get them going so that they're done when we're home, come home from work. These are chickens that we raised last fall. So they're about 4 pounds each. Okay, so we got our oven roaster on and we're gonna throw in our 2 chickens, and then I've got some rub that I made previously that I'm just gonna sprinkle on them. Just tucking their little arms back behind their wings back behind their head. Oh, they don't have heads, never mind. There we go. Oh my God. Okay, so here's the rub we have left over from a chicken we made a different time. So I'm just gonna go like this. Then we'll see how this looks when we get home. Hopefully in my $10 Goodwill broiler roaster oven does a good job. So we'll see. I'll show you what it looks like when we get home from work. All right, I'm home, I'm off work, and it looks good outside. Let's see. Ooh, it's so bright. This is what it looks like out now. So the sun's out, it stopped snowing, so we gotta thank the Lord for our small blessings. And it's about 34 degrees, so I think tonight I'm gonna have to go out and put, I don't have any frost cloth, but I think I'm gonna have to go out and put some, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Bed sheets, something over the spinach and the kale and the lettuce beds, because it's supposed to be 25 degrees. So I think I just might take some old sheets out of the cupboard and lay them on top, and hopefully that gives them enough insulation that they make it through the night. 25 is pretty cold, so that's a hard freeze for us, so we'll see what happens. Okay, here's our chickens. Ooh, they're looking good. All right, I think what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to throw some potatoes in the roaster and some carrots, and then I've got to go over to the farm to take care of the piglets. So I think that's the plan. Potatoes, carrots in the roaster. That's a great little deal. So I bought this little roaster at the Goodwill for, it was $10. I need to take that off. And it was 50% off. The little knob is broken on it, but I mean, I can tell where it's at. So I'm fine with that. I might see if I can have my husband help me, like maybe glue it on or something, or I don't know. We'll see. But what a great deal. Good. Okay, so I turned that up to 300 and we got those vegetables in, and now I'm gonna head out to the Airbnb and check the pool chemical. And I had some people check in today, so I just want to make sure everything's good, and then I'm heading over to the farm and we're gonna give iron shots to the piglets and castrate the 2 males. So yeah, that's where I'm heading now. Okay. This is the Airbnb that I manage. This is my friend's house, and he actually lives most of the year in Arizona. So we rent it out on Airbnb. So it's very beautiful. I'm gonna walk back here and show you. This actually butts up to the wildlife refuge. All right, so I'm gonna show you. This is actually, back here is the wildlife refuge behind us. And we've got some really neat stuff happening right now. A lot of birds migrating, but I was gonna see if I could walk down here. I'll walk down instead of try to zoom in, but I want to show you what's going on down here on the bottom. Oh, I think I chased all the ducks away. But, so right down here we have, this is actually some water that runs through the property that heads out to Crab Creek. We get a lot of ducks and wildlife back here. But I want to take you over here and show you our resident. He is so majestic. Our resident bison. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Oh, I don't think I can get any. There it goes. Hello, mister. He's just looking over here like, what the heck? It's like, I'm gonna have dinner. Anyway, it's really, really a beautiful place out here. We get a lot of people that come from the city to spend time out here. And either you love it or you can't handle it. And unfortunately we've had both. But it's everything in my world that I love, so makes me very happy. I'm gonna turn around and I'm gonna show you the back of the house. All right, so there's the back of the house on the hill. We're gonna go up. My whole reason for coming out here was to check the pool chemicals, and then we'll see. I don't know if the guests are out and about, but if we see them, we'll introduce ourselves. Otherwise, we're really here to check pool chemicals. Okay, here's the pool house. So the hot tub's over there, and then we have what they call a sports pool here. It's deep in the middle and shallow on the ends. So I'm gonna check the chemical, and then we'll be done out here. We'll be able to head over to the farm and get busy on our pig maintenance. It's the best part of the day, getting over to the farm. Look at our little guests. They're out here to greet us. Hello, little guys. Hello, lovies. Say hello. Say hello. You guys are so cute. These are not the pigs we're castrating tonight. Isn't this lovely? Look how cute they are. Hey, you guys are in the mud. Hey, Mama. Hey, Miss Shar. Hey, Miss Shar. Yeah, I know. I know. All right, so those are the pigs that we're gonna give shots and castrate. Okay, so I think our plan of action is we're gonna feed the slop. Yes, Fred. We're gonna feed the slop to the mamas. Then we're gonna put the babies. My husband bought a hamper, a laundry basket. We're gonna grab the babies, put them all in the laundry basket, and then we're gonna, he's so rude. And then we're going to go in the camper and we're going to do the shots and the castration inside the camper so Mama Pig can't hear them. So, of course, it would have to be the muddiest day ever, and the little piggies have mud all over them, but that's okay. We can handle it. So, I'm gonna set you guys up and hopefully we can do this. Okay, here we go. Mama pigs are eating.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. You're fine. Oh, hey! Sure, hold on. It's fine. It's fine, sir. Oh, it's fine. We're gonna give it some medicine. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
One more.
We'll be right back.
Cut this?
Yeah, shut the door.
I don't want them to sneak out.
This basket barely fit you good.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna give them iron shots, and then we'll go back and we'll castrate the 2 boys. Hopefully. Okay. Okay, who wants to be first?
Spotty?
Spotty.
Oh yeah, he's a boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a boy.
Oh, yeah. We'll give you the shot first. You might have to hook his leg. Okay, good job.
Oh my gosh, how am I gonna keep him? To know.
Just let him run around. He's only going to be in here a second. Well, okay, that one you won't. You won't.
That's a girl. I'm sorry. You'll be fine. I'm making you better.
Oh, you're a fighter!
So.
Oh, yeah. Oh. You're okay. You're all right. It's all for the good of the team. Note to self, some people should wear their glasses.
So girl, I'm gonna put the boys. There you are, buddy. Nick.
It's a bad day for
So
you.
he's gonna go back in. Play don't find a good hiding spot.
Ooh, he's a strong backer. Jimmy, you have to hold his hands. Look.
This is nothing. Wait till you get your balls cut off.
One more. That was the last one, right? Okay, come on, little one. Oh, yamps! Look at your tail. Okay. Well, that was fun. All right, now for the really fun part. Okay, so for this job we have a scalpel. We're gonna use a brand new scalpel. We've got some iodine for right before we cut into them, and then we're gonna put blue coat on it when we're done. And we got some wipies so we can wipe their testicles before we put the iodine. So, okay. I'm gonna video this, but I'm probably gonna edit some of it. I think I need to make sure.
I need a shot of whiskey too.
You ready? Who's first? You want to get a wipey out and clean his... You were doing so good. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, he's gonna take a shit. Pooping!
That's what he's thinking about you.
You're a little baby. You get your butt wiped.
These babies are small. Little nubbins, dude.
Okay, iodine.
You think we could?
Done. Should we take two and then get the other ones?
You let them out?
The girls are having party time in the back of the camper. All right, we're gonna take them back to their moms.
Did not have fun.
Well, they have one mom, but I think there's co-parenting happening. Okay, hi. We're home, and I just came in, did all the chores outside, and now it's going to be dinner time. So let's take a look at our chickens. Okay. There's dinner. It looks delicious. Thanks for hanging out with me today. That was my mom.
You're still recording.
Yeah, it was a day event. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I hope everyone has a great evening. Enjoy.